Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 worst blacklisted forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Regulated brokers are under strict supervision, regulation, and authorization from regulatory entities, which ensure that trading activities are legitimate and that client fund security can be guaranteed. In addition to this, brokers who are members of compensation schemes also provide eligible traders with compensation should the broker be unable to fulfill their financial obligations in instances where the broker is liquidated or becomes bankrupt. There is a large number of scam brokers who have been blacklisted and their names made public for traders to see. But there are also those who have slipped through the cracks. However, at one point or another, they will be uncovered as well. Unfortunately, this is often at the cost of traders who have invested and subsequently lost substantial amounts of capital. The names of these brokers are made public to avoid others losing their funds in the same way. Traders should always trade with a fully regulated, reputable, and safe broker. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 worst blacklisted forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Prime Trading. Prime Trading claims to be a licensed investment company that provides services in addition to investment strategies, products, and other solutions to traders. Prime Trading claims that there are more than 135 investment teams located in 30 countries around the world that share their knowledge and experience so that traders can generate profitable results. There was a warning from the Malta Financial Services Authority, or the MFSA, alerting traders that Prime Trading is in fact a scam. Despite the claim to offer a guarantee of success, the reality regarding trading is that there is no guarantee that profits will be earned. Trading is a risky and complicated business that requires time, effort, dedication, research, and constant efforts. It is not something that can be provided by a broker, software, trading bot, or anything other than the trader's hard work towards earning profits consistently through tried and tested strategies. At number 4 on our list is Calloway Software. This is another get-rich-quick scheme that promises traders riches despite their trading skills or experience. It promises traders several thousands of dollars within mere hours. Calloway Software claims to make use of popular indicators to create accurate signals for traders when they use the broker's software. The broker does everything in its power to convince traders that they will be able to earn profits in a foolproof manner, and traders should take great caution in avoiding falling prey to brokers such as these. Coming in at number 3, we have Cannabis Trader. This broker has worked to convince numerous traders to join the bandwagon on cannabis stock CFD investments. This broker required a $250 initial deposit to be paid directly to the broker upon registration. Once registered, Cannabis Trader makes use of specific software that automatically places trades on cannabis stock CFDs on behalf of the trader, which is based on live market signals. The broker also offers tips to help traders learn all that they need to know regarding trading, in addition to urging traders to invest in cannabis stock CFDs while there is a market for it. There are a lot of red flags with this broker, amidst a lot of obvious traits typical with scam brokers that traders need to be aware of. At number 2 on our list is DD Futures. As both a forex and cryptocurrency investment website, this broker claimed to generate high returns through investment plans, which were claimed to be reliable. The website promised investors returns of up to 1,555% on their profits after merely 25 days. There is a lack of explanation on the website as to how such profits can be obtained, how the broker works, or what the broker actually is. The only information which is available on the website is that DD Futures is a private company that is based in the UK and is involved with the development of products that guarantee high returns. There are numerous red flags that traders need to be aware of, and where DD Futures is concerned, there were 3 distinctive red flags. These were namely the promise of quick riches, the vague website and lack of company information, and an illegitimate license. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 worst blacklisted forex brokers, we have Prophet Morel Monareng. This broker used social media to promote its services and claimed to be a legitimate forex broker with regulation through the Financial Services Provider, or FSP, with a corresponding license number. Also, the scam broker claimed to be associated with the Bone Risk Solutions. Prophet Morel Monareng has been exposed by the FSCA as a trading scam, in addition to proving the lack of association thereof with the Bone Risk Solutions. There was an official and public warning issued by the FSCA, in addition to the sharing of information on the prosecution of the con artists, who were posing as legitimate forex traders in a separate scam to that, involving Prophet Morel Monareng. And those are some of the top 5 worst blacklisted forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.